So guys, if you come across plants that have wilted, etc., or vegetable seeds, don't give up on them. Just check the stems, and if they don't snap, they generally are okay and will come back to life. It's worth giving another shot. Get rid of any dead leaves, etc., so it's got the chance to grow new bits and pieces. These I think, got too cold or too hot over the last few days, so I brought them into a different space, give them some water, which they get lots of water, got rid of any dead foliage, and we're going to see if we can bring them back to life. Hopefully we can. So keep on watching, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see if we can sort these plants out. Thank you guys, bye.